Welcome back to Decoristique, where timeless elegance meets vintage charm in every corner of the home. Today, we're exploring how to transform an ordinary bookshelf into a breathtaking design feature using classic books, rustic textures, and glamorous vintage accents that radiate warmth and sophistication. Whether your style leans toward French country, English cottage, or refined traditional interiors, these ideas will inspire a beautifully curated display. A thoughtfully decorated bookshelf tells a story far beyond the books it holds. Every antique treasure, weathered frame, aged sculpture, and carefully layered volume contributes to an atmosphere that feels collected over generations rather than purchased all at once. Together, these details create luxurious character without sacrificing comfort or authenticity. Before we begin, we'd love to have you as part of the Decoristique family. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite vintage decorating style. Let's discover how classic bookshelf styling can elevate every room in your home. Every remarkable bookshelf begins with carefully selected books that provide both personality and structure. Collections featuring linen covers, embossed leather bindings, faded cloth jackets, and muted neutral tones instantly establish an atmosphere of timeless sophistication that modern editions often cannot replicate. Rather than arranging every book upright in perfect rows, experiment with a combination of vertical stacks and horizontal piles. This layered approach introduces rhythm and visual interest while creating natural platforms for decorative objects that bring balance and elegance to each shelf. Allow subtle color harmony to guide your arrangement instead of organizing strictly by genre or author. Soft greens, warm browns, faded greens, dusty blues, and deep burgundy bindings blend together beautifully, creating an effortless vintage palette that feels cohesive throughout the entire bookcase. Rustic elements soften the formal appearance of bookshelves while adding depth and authenticity. Aged wooden boxes, hand-woven baskets, carved trays, weathered candle holders, and naturally distressed finishes provide inviting texture that complements antique book collections perfectly. Natural materials also prevent shelving from feeling overly polished. Stone sculptures, ceramic vessels, dried botanicals, and aged terracotta planters introduce organic beauty that balances refined decorative accessories with relaxed countryside charm. Mixing rough textures with elegant finishes creates visual contrast that makes every shelf more engaging. The combination of worn wood beside polished brass or antique silver adds richness without overwhelming the overall composition, resulting in a luxurious yet welcoming display. A bookshelf becomes truly memorable when decorative objects reflect history and personality. Antique clocks, porcelain figurines, vintage cameras, framed botanical illustrations, brass candlesticks, and heirloom boxes all contribute unique character while celebrating timeless craftsmanship. Instead of filling every available space, leave intentional gaps between objects. These areas of visual breathing room allow each decorative piece to stand out while maintaining a refined appearance that never feels cluttered or chaotic. Vary the height and scale of each object to create movement across the shelves. Tall vases paired with smaller collectibles, medium-sized sculptures, and layered picture frames naturally guide the eye from one display to the next with graceful balance. Vintage glamour is most successful when used thoughtfully rather than generously. Small touches of brass, crystal, mercury glass, or aged gold finishes introduce elegant sparkle while preserving the warmth and authenticity of rustic styling. Reflective surfaces help brighten bookshelf arrangements without dominating them. Antique mirrors, crystal paperweights, decorative glass cloches, and polished metal accessories subtly catch surrounding light, adding gentle sophistication to every shelf. Repeating metallic accents throughout the bookcase creates visual unity. Instead of concentrating every glamorous object in one location, distribute them evenly so the display feels balanced, curated, and harmonious from top to bottom. The most captivating bookshelves reveal the homeowner's interests and memories. Family heirlooms, vintage travel souvenirs, treasured collectibles, handwritten journals, and meaningful keepsakes bring emotional richness that cannot be replicated through decorative shopping alone. seasonal updates can refresh the display without requiring a complete redesign. Changing botanical arrangements, introducing autumn branches, spring florals, or festive vintage ornaments allows the bookshelf to evolve beautifully throughout the year while preserving its timeless foundation. As you edit your shelves, remember that thoughtful restraint often creates greater luxury than constant addition. Removing unnecessary items allows every remaining object to shine, producing a display that feels curated, refined, and effortlessly elegant. Classic bookshelf decorating is ultimately about creating an atmosphere that celebrates history, craftsmanship, and personal expression. By combining beautiful books, rustic textures, vintage treasures, and carefully chosen glamorous accents, you can design shelving that becomes a stunning focal point in any room. The most luxurious interiors rarely depend on expensive decorations alone. Instead, they are built through thoughtful layering, meaningful collections, balanced composition, and timeless pieces that grow even more beautiful as the years pass. Your bookshelf can become a lasting reflection of both elegance and individuality. Thank you so much for spending time with us here at Decoristique. If you enjoyed these classic bookshelf decorating ideas, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your favorite styling tip in the comments below. We look forward to welcoming you back for more vintage, classic, and rustic home decor inspiration.